ages.
Stop.
I checked like 4 or 5 times.
Definitely the most intense immigration. So we'll see how it's like when we get to Bali.
Check in with everyone. We have arrived in Bali. We are in our Airbnb. Let's take a look. Really, really nice. So we've got a nice kitchen, an outside sitting room, swimming pool. We're overlooking a rice field. This is like a lot of the nice parts of Vietnam without the bad parts, mixed with a bit of Thailand.
Yeah, with the banana.
What more can you ask for?
Literally. We have vineyards, banana trees, and rice fields.
The triple threat.
The triple threat. So, looking forward to having just a month in this nature.
It is nice to be so remote.
Yeah,
We are like, I don't even know if the houses around us have people in them.
No, I think only 2 of them. Yeah, obviously we're not in like the most tourist destination like Canggu, but we've been on the road for 3 months and we're ready to kind of slow down the jet, especially now that like Japan's going to be open, and when we get to Japan it's going to be full.
There's no month stop and relaxing somewhere in Japan. It's go.
Or
we gotta see it all,
do
it all. No,
yeah.
We're min-maxing our time in Japan. Yeah, which is kind of why we took Bali as a bit of a break.
I absolutely see us coming back here in the future. So,
easily.
Because there's so much to do on this island. Where we're staying, there's a lot of waterfalls, so we're really excited to see that. You can see the mountain, he's just over there. And then we're also going to be doing a day trip to Ubud. Like, we're still going to see a good majority of it, but we don't need the hustle bustle. We need quiet.
Yeah,
relax.
We do want to quite relax. We don't want mad.
And it's also nice to go to places that don't get a lot of tourism.
Yeah, support.
Yeah,
for sure.
Because they really haven't really seen the tourists back.
The people back. But today, anyway, we were like actually looking at doing work online. I was quite overwhelmed, if I'm honest. Just being like, I just don't know where to start. Like, obviously, I have a computer science degree. I've got like 3 years experience, but then I'm just like, I don't know. Right now, I'm kind of the idea. I build something as like fun projects for myself. Maybe not put too much pressure on to like make money. And then if I feel comfortable and like, okay, I feel like I could take on a client and actually, build out a bot for someone else, then I can open up that service and not feel as like insecure about it, which is kind of how I'm feeling at the minute. The raw realness of trying to make money on the road here.
Yeah, it's not as easy as TikTok shows it to be. There's a guy behind us trying to sell his jewellery.
Still?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same guy. So.
Alright, we'll stop the recording.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. We just had a really creepy situation. Random guy. I was just finishing up yoga on the roof and I hear a voice coming. A man on where the rice fields were with just a bag. At first I thought maybe he's like trying to say, oh, do you want some rice? And then he goes, earrings, jewellery. And I was like, no, I'm in the comfort of my home. Like, leave me alone. I just went back down so he couldn't see me. It seemed like he drove away. You can see drone footage Sean took just to see what he was doing. And he drove off, as you saw doing the vlog. And he's there again, asking if we want jewellery. And I was like,
I put on a very stern, I'm just like, no, like, leave us alone, you know. I
House.
said, I'm at my house. He said, tomorrow, and I said, no. So I went and actually, the reason I just came back onto the film because I went out and had a look because we reviewed the footage and we saw that he like shack essentially beside our house. On the footage he goes in there. I just went and kind of had like a peek around there, but like yeah, it's so sketchy. Like
He was walking around the house and all.
that's what I don't like at all. That's like he's trying to like case the place or something, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't like that at all. But that's why like, we've been locking all our doors, just playing it as safe as we can. It's just like, it just puts this like negative energy in you. It just doesn't need to happen, you know?
Like, and now he knows where we are, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Which I don't like.
No, I don't like it at all. But we'll be alright, we'll be alright.
Good morning. So we've kind of just eased our way back into the swing of things, you know. We've been cooking, which has been so nice.
We definitely slowed down as soon as we kind of booked our tickets out of Vietnam, and we like had a kind of slow. We did some vlogging in like the caves in Dong Hoa in Vietnam, and we went to Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, we're tired, you know. So yeah, we're here now in Bali. So yeah, we need to kind of get back in the swing of things, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the shops, get some water, and then we're gonna get Grab and go into town.
Get a bike.
And get a bike.
That's what we're doing today.
That's our agenda.
Yeah, get a bike for a week, hopefully a nice one, so we can actually get around pretty easy.
Yeah, because where we are, like, you just need a bike.
You need a bike, yeah, it's essential.
It's a rule of living.
Anyway, we'll let you go. We're about to go up to a busy road, so the audio will be terrible.
So we're back in our place. This is the thing with living remotely and not through a hotel is we could not get a taxi.
Just couldn't.
Just couldn't. We managed to contact bike rental place and they quoted us 100,000 IDR for the what's it called?
Initially I asked for a Honda Vario 125cc, which is like a very standard bike to rent here in Bali. Typically though, the price a day would be maybe 50 to 70,000 IDR. So the woman responded and said they only have an N-Max, which is 155cc, I think. So it's just like a more premium bike. And I was like, oh, and she was like, oh, it's 150,000 a day. And I was like, Jesus Christ. So I was like, listen, I'm looking to rent it for a week. And she's like, okay, I can bring it down to 100,000 a day for a week. That means for a week we're gonna spend like 700,000 IDR. Yeah. It's a little bit cheaper than it was in Thailand, but we were expecting to pay 2 weeks 200,000. We just got to the point where we're just like, oh, let's just order this bike. And
for this week, we'll just have the nice bike.
And it could be great. It could be like, oh my god, it's so nice. Apparently it has a lot of room and storage in it as well, so it could be great for shopping. And
if not, then we'll try get a Scoopy or Honda Vario. Just something a bit more affordable because we don't need much. We got a bike. They wrote back to us and we're like, yeah, we'll bring one down in 10 minutes time. And guys, it is a completely new bike. I'm kind of scared. Sometimes you want a few scratches, you know, just in case if anything does happen. It hides, but Sean's just taking pictures, but there's literally not one scratch on it. And let's hope we're not gonna be the first ones to put one on. We're excited, so we're actually, what time is it? It's coming up to 4 o'clock, so we're gonna go into Lovina. We're gonna try maybe get a yoga mat first, because I would try sort that out as fast as possible. Yeah, and then do a bit of grocery shopping, bring it back, and then maybe head down to the beach.
Hopefully people can see the types of roads we get on the little side alleys here in Bali. It's pretty bumpy.
This is where we're actually very grateful for the N-Max scooter. we've officially found a beach. We found the beach!
We did it. There's no hagglers. There's a little bit of trash, but it's not too bad.
It's not as bad as it usually is.
We parked the bike. No one tried to charge us, which is nice. So we actually ended up spending the day at the beach, and we got to see a beautiful sunset. We went for a cheeky little dip. Oh, doesn't that look nice? And after settling in, we decided to take an adventure out and see what North Bali really has to offer, as we checked out the local hot springs and the local waterfalls. Find it next week on Lovina. Drop a like if you liked the video, maybe even a comment. It helps us with the YouTube gods. Take it easy.